In this lecture, we are going to study about risk and uncertainty. Difference between risk and uncertainty. What are all the various types of risk? Risk. Risk refers to the variability or an outcome which can be measurable in a more quantitative manner. In other words, risk is the possibility that an outcome will not be expected. You can expect that the outcome will not be in a desired expected manner. Where uncertainty. Uncertainty is a lack of complete certainty. In uncertainty, the outcome of any event is entirely unknown and it cannot be measured or guessed. You don't have any background about the information on the event. Uncertainty is complete unknown situation which a businessman has to face. Whereas risk, you can have a prediction. Risk refers to variability or outcomes which are measurable in an empirical or a quantitative manner. In other words, risk refers to the possibility that an outcome will not be expected. That means risk is a situation where the expected outcome will not give you the desired output. Uncertainty. Uncertainty is a lack of complete certainty. In uncertainty, the outcome of any event is entirely unknown and it cannot be measured or guessed. You don't even have any background information on the event. Uncertainty is complete uncertainty. You don't even have any bit of knowledge about what is going to happen in the business atmosphere. Let us see the differences between risk and uncertainty under various broad comparison subjects. So, in the basis of nature, risk is measurable uncertainty, whereas uncertainty is unknown risk. You can't even have any knowledge about uncertainty. But in risk, you have some basic knowledge about and you can measure the uncertainty. In terms of meaning, the probability of winning or losing something is known as risk. A situation where the future events are completely unknown is a mystery. We will call that as uncertainty. Insurable and insurability. Risks are covered by various insurance policies. While uncertainty, there is no possibility of any insurance coverage. For example, in a medical health insurance, all diseases are covered under a medical insurance, which is an example of risk, wherein after COVID-19 pandemic, people who have health insurance couldn't able to cover their medical expenses in insurance policy as COVID-19 is a complete uncertainty and this is not mentioned in the insurance company's list of diseases. So, COVID-19 affected people, though they have insurance policies, health insurance policies, they could not able to cover their medical expenses under that insurance policy. Because COVID-19 is a pandemic which is entirely an uncertain situation. Under the basis of transferability, risk can be transferred from one risk to another risk, wherein uncertainty, you cannot transfer any uncertainability. Elements of cost. Cost of production includes the cost of risk bearing also. Any losses, financial losses, any product losses can be covered or measured in the cost of production. Whereas no cost profit is a reward for the uncertainty. Whereas there is no cost involved for uncertainty and profit is the reward for uncertainty. Knowledge of alternatives. All the possible alternatives of a problem are known here, wherein in uncertainty, such previous knowledge is not possible. Types of risk. There are various types of risk based on past experiences. Economists has classified risk under various types based on past experiences. Let us in detail see about each type of risk. Types of risk are broadly classified as economic risk, business risk, market risk, inflation risk, interest rate risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, and cultural risk. Let us have a detailed explanation of each risk. Business risk. Business risk is a chance of loss associated to the managerial decision taken by a managerial economist. Such losses are normal byproduct of unpredictable variation in demand and cost conditions. Business risk must be dealt with effectively. It can seldomly eliminated. It can be eliminated. Next, market risk. Market risk is the chance that a portfolio of investments can lose money because of overall swings in the financial markets. Managers must be concerned about another market risk because it influences the cost and timing of selling new debit and equity shares to investors. Market risk is pertaining to financial market where the price of shares or the value of shares, mutual funds, debentures will be subjected to market risk. The risk is very high in case of financial markets. We can't expect when the prices will increase or when the prices will fall down. So it is the duty of managerial economists to be most concerned about the risk and how to cover this risk. Next type is inflation risk. Inflation risk is a danger of general rise in price level, and this will undermine the real economic value of corporate agreements that involve a fixed promise to pay a specified amount over an extended period. Leases, rental agreements, and corporate bonds are examples of business contracts that can be susceptible to inflation risk. For example, if any agreement or bond has created in today's day and the payment can be made after 3 months or 4 months, any increase in the price level will have an impact on the amount to be paid after 3 months. So these kind of risks are there in the business. Managerial economist has to understand this kind of risk and act accordingly. Next risk is interest rate risk. Another type of market risk that can severely affect the value of corporate investments and obligations. This stems from the fact that a fall in the interest rate will increase the value of any contract that involves a fixed promise to pay over an extended time frame. That means this interest rate risk is also pertaining to financial markets. Any fluctuations in the interest rates will have a greater impact on the amount to be paid either in the financial markets or in the corporate investments. Because in corporate investments, payments are mostly promised to pay in future. So any rise in rate of interest rate will have a great impact on the business. Next, credit risk. Credit risk is a chance that another party will run to abide by its contractual obligations. A number of companies have lost substantial sums because other parties were either unable or unwilling to provide raw materials, rental space or financial at the agreed upon prices. That means credit risk is a chance that your opponent party or your co-party will not able to pay you back the promised amount what they done for you. This will make you in a risky situation or it will gives you financial burden. Next is liquidity risk. Liquidity risk is the difficulty of selling your corporate assets or investments that are not easily transferable at a favorable prices. Under typical market conditions, any type of risk is related to the rapidly expanding financial derivatives market. A financial derivative is a security that derives value from price movements in some other security. In many cases, business people fail to have a liquid amount in case of emergency. They try to keep all their profits or all their assets in a non-movable assets, which is not easy for them to convert it as liquid. In that cases, business people may find it difficult of loss of money or loss of money rotation in business. Cultural risk. Cultural risk is borne by companies that pursue a global investment strategy. Product market differences due to distinctive social customs make it difficult to predict which product do well in foreign markets. So, cultural risk is particularly to the businesses who deals with the global market. They are tended to affected by culture of the people. For example, a breakfast cereal is extremely popular and one of the most profitable industries in United States, Canada and United Kingdoms. Because of their culture of having a breakfast cereal over there, in everyday breakfast, they'll try to have only cereals or bread. So the market for them will be high, or sudden change in the culture of having any breakfast will impact the cereal industry. Next is currency risk. Currency risk refers to probable loss due to changes in domestic currency value in terms of expected foreign currency. That means any change in the currency value or exchange value of our home currency will be affected the exchange rate or amount you have to pay in exchange of foreign currency. This kind of risk is particularly pertaining to the industries who are dealing with global markets and who are dealing with the clients outside India. The main drawback of global businesses are currency risk, which result that most of the MNCs wish to eventually repatriate foreign earnings back to the indigenous status. Managerial economics has given you some ways to manage this risk and uncertainty in business. There are 4 ways given in economics to manage this risk and uncertainty. One is insurance. Business risks are transferred through insurance policies. Insurance policies like fire accident, theft accidents, transportation insurance, all these risks are covered under insurance policies. Next is hedging. Hedging is a mechanism whereby the expected loss is to be offset by an expected profit from another contract. That means a loss in one contract can be compensated by the profit from another contract. Diversification. This method is particularly to the financial markets. Financial markets, people would like to invest in shares, mutual funds, debentures. Diversification method is, it advises not to invest a huge amount in one particular company's shares or debentures. It says that instead of investing huge amount in one particular company or one particular business, you can manage your risk by spreading your investments in various company shares. Thus, it will help you in minimizing the loss happen from the investment. Last thing is adjusting risk. Adjusting risk is a mechanism whereby the provision is made to offset the expected loss in the business. Managerial economics has given you these 4 ways to overcome or to manage your risk and uncertainty in business. By managing or by practice of the methods given in managerial economics, and managerial economist can obtain minimum risk and possibility of high profits.